Hey guys, I just received a YouTube award for a Faceless channel that crossed 1 million subscribers. But here's something even crazier. I found a channel making over $20,000 a month posting simple AI-generated videos. Today, I'll break down exactly how you can do the same, for free. Let's dive in. AI is changing the game. You don't need to show your face, record your voice, or spend hours editing. With AI tools, you can create a full video in under 7 minutes. I'll show you how to pick a niche, generate content, and start making money today. One of the easiest ways to start: scary stories. These videos get millions of views, and the best part? They are super easy to make. Inside my free community, linked below, you'll find niche ideas, templates, and a full step-by-step guide. Step 1. Pick a name. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas. Just copy-paste this prompt from my free document. Step 2. Design your logo and banner using Leonardo AI and Canva. Step 3. Customize your channel and get ready to upload your first video. Step 4. Generate a horror story script using ChatGPT. Step 5. Use 11 labs to create a realistic AI voiceover. No need to record your voice. Step 6. Add a single eerie background image, Leonardo AI, and overlay your audio. Step 7. Edit in CapCut. Simply upload your image and audio. Remove gaps, keep it engaging, and export. Done! That's how easy it is to create content for your Faceless channel. YouTube ad revenue is great, but here's a secret. Use Audible's creator program to make $15 per sign-up. Combine that with YouTube earnings, and you're looking at an easy $20,000 a month potential. Some of these Faceless channels didn't even exist 2 months ago, and they're already making over $30,000. Stay consistent, post weekly, and watch your income grow. Need help? Join my free community linked below. Ready to take action? Click the link below for my free templates, prompts, and full blueprint. And don't miss this next video where I show you how to grow your channel fast. Let's make this happen. Your future self will thank you.